Just a little update for you on the DeLorean. I'm installing the headliner at the moment. When I do the headliners, the old backing is reaching its 40th birthday and most of them are in quite poor condition. So what I do is, before I put the new headliner on, I coat the old backing in a very fine fiberglass mesh like this, which gives the backing much more rigidity and gives it that support it needs. Little sandpaper down and then put on my headliner. So I've installed the headliner. I've also installed the wiring and wired up the rear view camera into the rear view mirror. As you know, our visibility at the back of the cars is very poor. So I fitted a rear view mirror, and I'll show you that now, to help alleviate that problem with the car. So this is the rear view camera in our car, and as I was saying, our visibility at the back is very poor, especially with backing up. So what I've done is I've installed our camera and a rear view mirror for that. So there you go. So that allows us to see out the back. Now I haven't adjusted the camera properly, so it's just a basic setting up. It's very simple installation: power, your LCD display, and basically it's radio controlled, so you just plug it in and you're good to go. I've also installed a forward facing camera on the front of the rear view mirror and have it wired in and good to go. So yep. So this is the headliner, and what I'll do is I'll mark out along the edge off the trim and glue and then mount. I'll show you on the other side how it's meant to look in the end. So this is it all finished up.